So this is all I really use to apply our bezel graphics. Something to flatten it and a little blade. This is an X-Acto knife. Our graphics come like this, uncut. And to install these bezels, what I like to do is place it on top of the bezel, and I will feel out the edges, try to center it. I'm usually using the reflection of the material to sort of like gauge where the edge of the wood is underneath the vinyl. Checking with my fingers to make sure that the graphic is actually gonna lay on right. And once it's placed, forearm I'll place on top, the bottom here. I'll take my X-Acto knife, go ahead and peel up this corner and cut the backing paper here and lay this flat while the bezel is laying flat on top of the bezel here. After that, and it's nice and secured, stuck on there, so we'll flip it over, and I will keep my hand guiding underneath the graphic to make sure that it goes ahead and lays flat as I peel the backing paper off in one motion. It's not gonna be perfect all the time, but it should go on loosely like this, and as long as there aren't any major bumps that have come about in doing that motion, you can just go in with your squeegee, credit card, anything that's hard but not super rough will work, to go in there and gently press out any air bubbles so it'd still be on top of it here. You can also apply heat using a heat gun or a hair dryer to further flatten it out. If you've got any like tiny little bumps in there, that'll help minimize it visually. And once it's on flat, take the X-Acto knife. I go ahead and puncture the vinyl, find the edge of the wood, and then press the edge of the blade along the edge of the wood to cut the vinyl that's been applied. Like that. Cut all the way around the same way that way, and then you should be good to go.